God dang, I lose some frame here. Only thing about that truck, it takes a lot, and I mean a lot, of damage. Okay, so we got the good old rotator here, and we're gonna go fix an accident we had earlier. Let's say this game has a hell of a way to introducing you to a brand new mechanic of driving on ice. Anyway. Did we go that way? Yeah, I guess we did. Alright, yeah, so my streaming setup is a little weird here. Because I got the Xbox One X going. And then I'm in the console companion app on my really cheap computer. And, my internet router's like way in the other room. And this is all wireless. And, just probably not ideal, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Let's see if I can change truck. Oh, yeah. Gotta see if Big Boy will fit through that gap. Because not all this is for nothing. But if he can't, I see I'm having no problem getting the rest of the way through. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, good. So, just back him up as straight as we can. Alright. Kill you. Oh, I said kill you. What is going on? Alright. Change back to Rotator. Back you in. Ah, come on. Okay. I don't want to have to recover you too, bud. Crane mode. Activate anchors. So one thing I do wish, when you backed out of the menu for the crane, that it would go back to functions, like, I don't know. Alright, and pack my stuff. Aha! Change the truck again. Back up to crane mode. And go find my tether one. There you are. Come on. Hopefully that's close enough. Well, now I ain't even going to restore crane. Stop engine. Change truck back to old TwinSteer. Yeah, no, that should work. Unpack and pack. Haha! Alright, boys. Let's give her. Tell you one thing, my other frickin' 3880 did way better here than this big old truck. Anyway, give you that. Oh, no. Okay, thank you. Yeah, we just keep on winding around until bam. Okay, let's give her. Alright, I don't need the suspension anymore. Truck is tippy enough Especially because, for whatever reason on this one, the chain tires just, or even the studded ones, just don't do that well. So I just keep the normal, whatever these are. I think they're the cat tires. And yeah, they clip through when it ain't lifted. Can't believe how long this is taking. Oh shit! Oh no 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 no! Let's say the 3880 didn't do this. Holy shit! Which it has studded tires, so maybe that's why I got almighty. Woo. I'm going the right way still, I know. Oh yeah, we going. You're right there. Nope, shit. That's the trick there, you gotta look away from where you're about to fall in. And press whatever your winch button is. On the Xbox, it's Y. And hope like hell it catches a pole and not a damn bush. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we going the right way. Yep, there's old 3880 who made that without nothing. This truck about died 3 times. So you see what had originally happened. As I drop all my frames. All of my frames. I had brought this truck on the big, 6-slot trailer behind this all the way from, I think it was Mountain River, through to here. And when we couldn't get through that one passage with the trailer, everything tipped over. But, yeah, we fixed that. We even properly recovered the cargo and didn't just leave it like I did when I started playing the game last year. And yeah, I've had the game since launch, and I'm only just now in Alaska. Partly because I don't play stuff all the time, and partly because I don't like finishing games. It's weird. Anyway, let's build this. Oh. Alright. Thanks for watching, if anybody even watches this.